Running out of time this holiday season, but still want desserts that feel special? Today, I'm sharing 10 last-minute Christmas desserts you can make without turning on the oven. These recipes are easy, festive, and perfect when you need something sweet, fast. Let's get started. First up, a rich and elegant chocolate ganache tart. To make it, you'll need 2 cups of crushed chocolate cookies, half a cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 8 ounces of dark chocolate, chopped. Mix the crushed cookies with the melted butter, then press the mixture firmly into a tart pan. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Heat the heavy cream until it just begins to simmer. Pour it over the chopped chocolate, let it sit for a minute, then stir until smooth. Pour the ganache into the chilled crust and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, until set. Next is a holiday favorite, no-bake peppermint cheesecake. You'll need 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Combine the graham crackers and butter, and press the mixture into the bottom of a pan. In a bowl, beat the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and peppermint extract until smooth. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Spread the filling over the crust and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Before serving, top with crushed candy canes. For something lighter, try festive fruit and yogurt parfaits. You'll need 3 cups of yogurt, Greek or regular, 2 cups of chopped seasonal fruit, and 1 cup of granola. Layer yogurt, fruit, and granola into serving glasses. Repeat the layers until the glasses are full, finishing with fruit on top. Chill until ready to serve. Now for a quick crowd pleaser, no-bake cookie dough bites. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, half a cup of mini chocolate chips, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the ingredients together until fully combined. Roll into 1-inch balls and refrigerate for 30 minutes, until firm. Next up, sweet and salty chocolate-covered pretzels. You'll need 2 cups of pretzels, rods or twists, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between. Dip each pretzel into the melted chocolate, let the excess drip off, and place on parchment paper. Allow the chocolate to set for about 20 minutes. Now for something indulgent, raspberry chocolate mousse cups. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 6 ounces of dark chocolate, chopped, and 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Melt the dark chocolate and let it cool slightly. Whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the chocolate until smooth. Layer the mousse with raspberries in serving cups. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Before serving, top with whipped cream and a raspberry. Next are mini no-bake s'mores cups. All the flavor without the campfire. You'll need 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 1 cup of chocolate pudding, 1 cup of marshmallow fluff, mini marshmallows, and chocolate syrup. Layer graham cracker crumbs, chocolate pudding, and marshmallow fluff into small cups. Repeat the layers until full. Refrigerate for 1 hour, then top with mini marshmallows and a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Finally, no-bake turtle brownies, rich and decadent. You'll need 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup of caramel sauce, half a cup of chopped pecans, and half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix the graham cracker crumbs, cocoa powder, and melted butter. Press the mixture into a lined 9 by 9-inch pan. Pour the caramel sauce over the base and sprinkle with pecans. Melt the chocolate chips and drizzle over the top. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours, then slice into squares. These last-minute Christmas desserts prove that you don't need an oven, or hours in the kitchen, to impress your guests. They're quick, festive, and perfect for the holiday season. Be sure to check out this video for more.